So I decided to make myself a Nutcracker because all the big ones were so expensive and I couldn't exactly find what I wanted. So I had loads of cardboard boxes around. Here I am with a cardboard box that I'd literally just mashed up a bit and drawn around some plates because I wanted to make it a rigid structure. So I cut 3 out, I think, in total, put 1 on each end and then 1 in the middle, and hot glue gunned it in place just to give it a bit of rigidity. So snippety snip, cut around that, times 3. I should have fast forwarded this bit. How very interesting. Yeah, so then I glue gunned it to the bottom, top and 1 in the middle. I don't think I showed all of it, so that's what I did anyway. Just went around and held it in place to make it a bit stronger. That is done. Then I'm rolling up the arms or legs. I don't know which one, but that's what you do for all of it. So then you just glue that to make it strong again, keep the shape. 4 of them. Glue the legs on, again using the glue gun, sleeping dog. And I made a base as well, but that's just another circle of cardboard. And then I did a similar thing for the head. It's going to be the head and the hat together, so I just rolled up another bit of cardboard. That's me comparing the arms. So then I bought some Hessian like sack fabric from Hobbycraft. Glued that to the body and the legs. And the arms, actually. And then I bought these snow globes, which had these kind of caps on them. I used the snow globes for the hands, but I had those left over, so I decided to glue them to the ends of the arms, like to make the shoulder pads. The fabric I used here was actually fur from a broken cushion cover that I got from Shein. And I just reused it because I was going to chuck it, and then I thought, no, I'll keep it. Why not? So that became the hat and the boots. And here I'm just gluing a bit of ribbon around the shoulder pads to make it look a bit less crap. Those scissors did not work. Then I just glued the arms in place because I am lazy. Here is my daughter painting the inside of the snow globes to make the hands. And I put some felt on the face and then cut out more felt fabric pieces to to put on his face there. So I didn't record the face or decorating or anything, but his name is Carlos, and yeah, that's it really. Cute.